To get early access to trade crypto meme coins on Axiom Pro Trade, a link is provided where you can sign up and receive a 10% discount on all trading fees. When visiting the website, click Start Trading and enter your email along with a required referral code. Signing up with an email and referral code is the recommended method, although alternative options like Google or Phantom are available. Upon signing up, you will have access to the website's various features, including a Discover feed, deck screener, trending time formats, filters, polls, trackers, perpetuals, yield, portfolio, and rewards for referrals. You can also deposit Solana or crypto, track wallets, and trade. The website offers a range of tools and resources to help you navigate the platform. Once you have access, you can explore the different features and start trading.